So last look at my current road box setup before the snap-on arrives in the new year here, and we empty this one out and put what's in it into the snapper. The whole idea is that this is sort of the mechanic's top chest, and you can just grab onto it. It already weighs 80 pounds empty, and you can throw it into a vehicle with relative ease. If it starts getting extremely loaded up and heavy, then it's just hurting your back, or you need two people to lift it. So the idea here is, can I have what I need to go work, to do most of what I need other than specifics, where I would specifically load tools. So metric 3/8, standard 3/8, assortment of ratchets, proto, some old SK knockoffs, a couple of different 3/8 ratchets. I've got a snap-on bent head coming to replace this. It went missing in transit, so me and the seller are having to work that out. A couple of secondary line long handles, breaker bars, snap-on extensions. Got some additional ratchets, snap-on ratchets, various extensions and breaker bars, just so that I've got a comprehensive ability to quarter, we've got it, 3/8, we've got it, some 1/2 inch, we've got it, so on and so forth. Long 1/2 inch snap-on ratchet. And then half decent sockets I've got, or screwdrivers. I've got some Tecton. And then I changed my mind this year. I was running with my secondary line of wrenches in here, and I was like, why am I doing this? I got two sets of snap-ons sitting in the toolbox. Why do I not put one good set of each, metric and standard, in? I got the ratcheting wrenches over here. Let's go from 24 millimeter down. Let's go from 15/16 down to 5 1/4. And then put the secondary line in the toolbox, and you can beat on those or what have you. So now when I'm out in the field, I've got my primaries. And that's really where this theme is going, is that everything in this box in 2024 is going to get reverted over to quality, good quality. No more, I had the mindset, all right, I'm just going to take these secondary line. They're out, they're high vis, what do I need? I won't bring my snap-ons, until finally I started loathing some of these tools and just wishing that I had my Nipex or, what have you. So you're going to see, and I'll update you as we go along, all of this is going to get replaced with piece by piece good stuff, and we'll put it into the new, and then this one will get retired from active service because it can't really handle the weight and the lugging it around. It just needs to go and sit on a shelf somewhere, and that's fine. That's what it's going to do. So it'll go into my gun reloading, my cartridge reloading room or something like that, and I can have my gun rebuilding equipment and stuff in that, and then the snap-on will replace this. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you the new one when it gets here.